Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Kraken Cache King Legacy updated. Start by traveling to Kraken zones and unlocking cache challenges, then focus on defeating targeted bosses and clearing timed objectives. Prioritize map control and stealth routes to minimize respawns. Gather 3 Kraken keys from distinct sources, solve the vault puzzle using coordinated team actions, and finally open the central vault to secure your legacy reward and cosmetics. To succeed, prepare with a proper group and optimized loadouts before entering Kraken areas where the Cache King spawns. Coordinate roles so someone handles crowd control while another scouts for hidden cache spawns and timing windows. Equip mobility items to traverse hazardous terrain and grab keys fast. Carry extra heals, shields, and revive tools to sustain lengthy vault attempts, and communicate key locations to ensure smooth, uninterrupted progression toward the legacy. Begin by clearing nearby mini-camps to stabilize the area and improve farming efficiency for Kraken keys and cache spawns. Scout the map for visual cues, solve environmental puzzles, and flip levers that unlock hidden passages leading to key caches. Coordinate a timed approach to the central vault, use collected keys together, and execute the final encounter strategy with crowd control and burst damage. Claim the Cache King Legacy and distribute rewards among your team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.